Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to do a video that's a little bit different, and that is to unbox this Tamiya set that I got when I went to Japan. So this is the Toyota Gazoo Racing TS050 hybrid MA chassis with a polycarbonate body, so you have to paint the body yourself, but it comes with a pre-cut wheel arch, so it'll be easier for you to cut the to spray the body. And so this is a 132 scale mini 4WD Pro Series snap together assembly, no glue required, 3.5 to 1 gear ratio, double shaft motor included, and you need 2 R6 or AL or UM3 batteries, which is not included, and likewise paint not included, so you have to go and buy the PS1 paint from Tamiya. And this cost me around 1180 Japanese yen. So I think when it converts it back, it's about RM40, which is very cheap in Malaysia, because I think if you buy in Malaysia and you're not even sure if you can find this model in Malaysia, it's definitely going to be at least 50 to 70 perhaps. So without further ado, let's take a look around the box itself. So yep, this is a chassis top view. As you can see, it's a double shaft motor, and the motor is at the middle with battery side by side to it. Front bumper, rear side skirt, double shaft motor. So this chassis is the MA chassis. Yep, and what you need, so you need 2 AA batteries, and its recommended tools are side cutters, modeling knife. Side cutters, I have it here. And then screwdrivers, yeah, tweezers and scissors. So, and then you'll need to buy separately the Tamiya color spray paint for polycarbonate, and for this model it will be the PS1 white. Yeah. So without further ado, let's unbox this. And this video is only about unboxing, and where I will have a separate video of me building and painting this body. So this is the polycarbonate body itself. You can see the wheel arch is already cut out. It will be my first time doing a paint job, so it's exciting. And you can see here is another piece of small piece of it. Not sure if I have to paint this, but looks like it will go here. Well, let me just keep this aside first. And this is the MA chassis here. Pretty thick body. Thick plastic, I would say. This is the wheels, and these are tires, pretty thin one. Yeah, all the gears and oil. The double shaft motor, this is the best one. As you can see, it's white color. If you want it to go faster, you might want to buy another motor. And here is all the other parts. Just take them out. You still use staplers. Looks like you have extra wheels for your side. Oh no, this is for the double ones at the back of your car. Like you need 2 here, and then you need 2 more, so 4 at the back. So 6 here, which is just right. Unfortunately, it's the one without rubbers. I'm not sure, I don't play Tamiya a lot, but I'm not quite sure if sometimes the ones with the rubber is better or not. Yep, I think this goes over the middle of your chassis. Yeah, a lot of things I need to explore. Then what is this? This is perhaps I believe these ones go underneath your body. This is for you to put your car body onto your chassis. But yeah. Perhaps let's just quickly take this out as well. They still uses plastic though, and I mean stapler, so interesting. So You have your motor here, and actually one is longer. This side is longer. Yep. And then you have your all your screws, and I can see these are for your wheels and you know, the side rollers. Some screws here. Not quite sure what this is. I would think this is for the body. And then here are some of the coppers that you slash over your motor. These are the wheel shaft, I guess you can call it drive. And then these are some of the oil. What is it? Grease, yes, grease. High joint grease. And here are some of the gears in plastic. Oh, actually the motor ones are purple. I mean, I've built some of the Tamiyas before. Some of my favorite ones are the Magnums, the Cycle Magnums, the Magnum Sabers. All that are my favorite childhood experience. Yep. And here are all the stickers. It's a lot. I'm actually not really good at sticking stickers. I always find myself not sticking at the right angle or right place. But maybe that's just my OCD. But this one's a lot. And this is the manual itself. You can see, you know, all the recommended tools here. PS1. And actually, maybe just let me bring this over to you guys also. So this is the Tamiya color, and for polycarbonate, as you can see, you know, I got it at 130 ringgit, so it's 100 ml. I think it's definitely enough, and as you can see, PS1. So this is the one you need for this model. And what's interesting is that this is, you know, on the website I can't find if it's spray paint ready, but yeah, it is. So you just need to spray like this. So yeah, that's all for me, guys. This is the unboxing of my Tamiya Toyota Gazoo Racing TS050 hybrid. So let me just go over it again. So here you have your manual, your stickers, and then some warnings, your tires and rims, motor grease, and some screws, coppers, drive shaft, two of it, some gears, and then your body, your chassis, and then some of the attachment for your body. And what you need are some tools recommended, and you have to buy this separately, and get some side cutters and scissors. Yep. So I'm gonna have to record another separate video for me building and, you know, painting this body for the first time, and I'll catch you guys next time. So be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. This is a very rare video for me to do. It's one of my childhood memories and hobbies, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.